The cryptocurrency world is no stranger to surprises and rapid changes. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, recently received court approval for a significant move. They can now invest U.S. customer funds into US Treasury Bills, a traditionally stable asset. This decision has sent ripples through the crypto community, raising questions and sparking debate. It signifies a deeper shift in market dynamics. By choosing US Treasury Bills, Binance aligns with established financial instruments. This move could inspire confidence and trust among users. For many, it signifies a maturation of the cryptocurrency market. The world of cryptocurrency is no longer in a political vacuum. Global politics now influence the crypto space, affecting market dynamics and investor sentiment. Governments are grappling with how to regulate this emerging asset class, balancing innovation with consumer protection. In the U.S., the political climate is charged, with powerful figures voicing a range of opinions. Former President Trump has shown skepticism, but recently met with Bitcoin miners, indicating a potential shift. Jamie Dimon, CEO of JPMorgan Chase, has softened his stance, with JPMorgan exploring blockchain technology. The future of crypto in the U.S. remains uncertain, with market participants closely watching regulatory developments. Volatility is the name of the game in the cryptocurrency market, where fortunes can change overnight. Prices can swing wildly, driven by speculation, news, and social media trends that spread like wildfire. The dark mega token exemplifies this, capturing attention with its meteoric rise and sudden crash. Elon Musk often sways market trends with a single, influential tweet. His tweets about Dogecoin have sent its price soaring to unexpected heights. The dark mega token serves as a cautionary tale for all investors. Due diligence is essential before making any significant investment decisions. Section 4. Mining for Everyone. Satoshi Miner opens new doors. Dive into Satoshi Miner. Satoshi Miner is a #TG game on #BTC. Start your Bitcoin mining journey, upgrade your gear, and unlock new mining valleys for bigger rewards. The app offers a user-friendly way for anyone with a smartphone to participate in crypto mining. Tap your phone, complete daily quests, and earn coins. Everyone can play. While individual rewards might be small, collective effort generates significant returns. Satoshi Miner removes technical barriers, making mining accessible to a wider audience. Section 5. Bridging the Gap. CryptoHite merges real estate and digital assets. The convergence of real estate and blockchain technology is opening up exciting new possibilities for investors of all sizes. CryptoHite, or SQRB, is at the forefront of this movement, building a platform that aims to democratize access to real estate investment through tokenization. SQRBIT allows users to invest in fractional ownership of real estate properties represented by digital tokens. This fractional ownership lowers the barrier to entry and allows smaller investors to diversify their portfolios with real estate assets. The integration of digital assets with traditional real estate offers several advantages. It provides liquidity, transparency, and accessibility, making real estate investment more efficient and inclusive. Squarebit's innovative approach has the potential to revolutionize the real estate industry. It paves the way for a future where real estate investment is more accessible and equitable for everyone. Section 6. Education to Empower. DoraHacks' EDU Chain Hackathon. The future of blockchain technology lies in the hands of those who understand it deeply. DoraHacks, a leading global hackathon organizer, is playing a vital role in fostering innovation and education in the blockchain space. Their upcoming EDU Chain Hackathon is a testament to this unwavering commitment. The hackathon focuses on developing innovative blockchain solutions for the education sector. It brings together developers, students, and educators to collaborate on projects that leverage the power of blockchain to address real-world challenges in education. With a substantial prize pool and the opportunity to gain recognition from industry leaders, the EDU Chain Hackathon offers a unique platform for participants to showcase their skills and make a tangible impact. The focus on education is particularly significant, as it highlights the transformative potential of blockchain technology to create a more equitable and accessible education system for all individuals. Section 7. Navigating the Crypto Maze. Knowledge is your compass. The world of cryptocurrency is complex, dynamic, and constantly evolving. From Binance's strategic investments to the emergence of new tokens and platforms, it's a space filled with both opportunities and risks. The key to navigating this landscape successfully is knowledge. Stay informed about the latest developments, regulatory changes, and market trends. Don't rely solely on hype or speculation. Conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Understand the technology behind cryptocurrencies and the potential implications of your investments. Remember that the crypto market is still in its early stages. As with any emerging technology, there will be volatility, uncertainty, and risks involved. However, by approaching it with a cautious and informed perspective, you can position yourself to potentially benefit from the transformative potential of this exciting new asset class. In this chapter, we explore the future of cryptocurrency and its impact on global economies. Stay tuned for expert insights and predictions. Digital currencies are reshaping financial systems. Experts foresee cryptocurrencies as foundational to global trade and finance. Governments are experimenting with central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Imagine instant cross-border transactions and financial inclusivity. However, challenges remain. Regulatory frameworks will be crucial. Balancing innovation with security is key. Stay informed as we delve into expert opinions and predictions. Will it lead to a decentralized financial system or face obstacles? The journey will be fascinating. Join us as we navigate the possibilities in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. Let's dive into the latest advancements in blockchain technology and how they are revolutionizing various industries. From finance to healthcare, blockchain is making waves. While often associated with Bitcoin, blockchain's potential extends far beyond digital currencies. In finance, blockchain enhances security, reduces fraud, and cuts transaction costs. Smart contracts automate agreements, ensuring transparency and efficiency. Healthcare is transforming with tamper-proof, decentralized patient records. Supply chain management is revolutionized with immutable records, ensuring authenticity and transparency. The energy sector explores blockchain for peer-to-peer energy trading. Blockchain's decentralized nature promises a future with built-in trust, reducing intermediaries. Stay tuned as we explore how this groundbreaking technology reshapes our world. As we conclude today's deep dive into blockchain and cryptocurrency, it's clear the landscape is ever evolving. From revolutionary impacts to untapped potential, staying updated is crucial. New innovations promise to reshape our world. The future is brimming with possibilities. Thank you for watching CryptoHite.